Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unpacking a fascinating blend of technologies, AI and blockchain. They may sound like science fiction, but by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of them. AI, or artificial intelligence, is about creating machines that can mimic human intelligence. Think voice assistants or self-driving cars. On the other hand, blockchain is a unique type of database. It's like a chain carrying blocks of digital information, and thanks to cryptography, this information is secure and cannot be tampered with. Now, how do these two buzzwords intertwine? Let's find out. AI and blockchain can make a compelling pair. AI excels in understanding, learning, and interpreting data, while blockchain offers unparalleled security and transparency. Imagine this. AI is the artist crafting incredible digital masterpieces, and blockchain is the gallery, a secure and transparent space where these masterpieces are displayed. Projects like Deep Engine AI are a fantastic example of this synergy. It uses both AI and blockchain technology to democratize AI development, making it a global and inclusive effort. But that's a topic for another video. When AI and blockchain work together, the possibilities are endless. In AI operations, blockchain can serve as a transparent ledger, recording every data point, decision, and action the AI system takes, making the entire process open and auditable. This pairing can also help in securely managing data. AI needs a lot of data to learn and improve, and blockchain can provide a secure, decentralized way to store and access this data. Further, blockchain can enhance the trust in AI systems. As AI decisions can be complex and hard to understand, recording these decisions on a blockchain can increase transparency, leading to greater trust among users. AI can also enhance blockchain. It can manage and optimize blockchain networks, analyze blockchain data for insights, and even automate the smart contracts that blockchain can execute. By integrating AI and blockchain, we open doors to democratize AI development, improve data security, enhance user trust, and harness AI's power to optimize blockchain operations. But remember, we're still in the early stages of this blend. The full potential of AI and blockchain working together is yet to be explored. It's an exciting field to watch as we move forward into a future where these technologies could reshape our world. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of AI and blockchain. If you found it insightful and want to learn more, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-understand tech content, and leave a comment below about what tech topics you'd like us to tackle next. Remember, the future is not just something that happens, it's a world we're actively creating with these incredible technologies. So, stay curious, keep learning, and let's embrace the future together. Until our next video, goodbye and take care.